Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS S3 bucket encryption keys with KMS backup strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have the necessary permissions to access both AWS S3 and KMS services. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the KMS section from the console dashboard. Identify the Customer Master Key, or CMK, that is used for encrypting your S3 bucket data. Select the key, and review its key policy to confirm you have the required permissions for backup procedures. Open the S3 service from the AWS Management Console. Locate the specific S3 bucket that you want to backup. Verify that the objects in the bucket are encrypted using the identified KMS key. Create a list of the KMS key IDs and resource ARNs associated with this S3 bucket for documentation. Next, set up a backup strategy for the KMS keys. Consider using AWS Backup, which allows you to automate your KMS key backup process. Create a backup plan targeting the KMS keys. Ensure the backup plan includes detailed schedules and retention policies. After setting up the backup plan, navigate to IAM policies and roles. Review and, if necessary, modify any IAM roles related to the backup process. Make sure the roles have the permissions to invoke backup and restore operations. Next, monitor the backup jobs for status and success messages. Keep a documented history of your backup activities. To restore keys, navigate to the KMS console and select the desired backup. Follow the prompts to restore the key securely. Once the key is restored, validate that the S3 bucket data is accessible and encrypted properly. Finally, consider implementing alerting mechanisms for monitoring backup status and KMS key utilization. Review your backup strategy regularly to ensure it remains effective and compliant with your organization's policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.